You can insert tables into your documents. For example, you might want to include a table in a brochure when you're making a list of pricing. Tables are a great way of aligning, organizing, and displaying data. You can customize how they look and how they show that data. To insert a table, select the Insert tab and find the table group. You need to initially select how many rows and columns you want, but note this can be changed after you've inserted it. Once inserted, you'll see that there's a table design and the Layout tab that open. In Table Design, you can change the look of your table. There are some preset design choices, or you can do this all manually by changing the shading and the borders. In the Table Layout option, this allows in Table Layout, you can add, delete, and merge cells in the table. This allows you to change the alignment of the text in the table and allows you to adjust the size of the table. Have a play around with this as you put data in.